On this episode, Ben tries to give you some sound life advice, but be warned, it's not for kids.
Don't buy a butt plug, buy Coke.
Morning, it's me. It's bloody early. It's Saturday. There is a car on the back of Ronnie, look. Da, da, da. Right, we are going a long way. We're going all the way to Barnsley on the taco. This broke down yesterday. I was out of hours and couldn't take it all the way to Barnsley yesterday, so the customer was happy that I kept hold of the car in here with CCTV, fully secure, and I continued the journey this morning. And I thought, what an ideal opportunity to grab a camera and take you with me and we can have a chat. So I'm gonna get Ronnie ready, get him out, do some walk round checks, get the taco in, and then we're going to Barnsley. All right? So strap yourselves in, go get yourselves a brew, go get yourselves a beer, go get yourselves a Vimto, a hot Vimto, put some hot water in it. It's nice, apparently. Right, I'll see you in a minute. Love, you don't go anywhere. Bye, 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 bye. We are out. Phone is on charge, sat nav is on, taco is filled out and on, seatbelt on, and we're ready for an adventure. Have I got some stories? So how you feeling? How are we all feeling? Thanks for all your comments on my motorbike racing video, by the way, when I went and took Dino to Cadwell. It's good fun, that. We've got a bit of a trek, but we like that. For a nice customer, he's a fireman. So the customer's a fireman in Sleaford, and he was like, can you help me? And I was like, yes, I can. So today is Saturday. It is Saturday the 14th. Hopefully I can get this video out to you tomorrow, which will be a Sunday, because Sunday comes after Saturday. Remember, stick with me and you'll learn some stuff. Anyone going to the tow show? I went to the tow show last year. I was quite disappointed I didn't see any feet. But yeah, there's just loads of recovery trucks, no tows. I'm not one of them people that's into feet. Although, fair play, the amount of people who are making an absolute fortune and paying their mortgage just videoing their feet though. Only grands. Yeah, anyone going to the tow show, let me know in the comments. I will be there on the Wednesday, the 18th. So I know there's a few people already that have said they're going on the Wednesday. It seemed like the majority were the Wednesday. So I will see you there. Come and say hello. Right, we are now joining the A17, and we're going to take this all the way up to the A1 for you A road fans, and then we're going to head north. Up to the north. I love it. I love the north. I'm joking before you all get offended. But yeah, got some stuff to talk to you about, a couple of stories, and we're just going to have a mini adventure. So strap yourselves in, have a good time, take your brain out for a bit. That's what this channel's all about. Have a nice time. And we will get this lovely fireman called Paul will get his car safely delivered to the garage that is going to repair it. Look out the front for a bit. Do you want to know what's wrong with the UK road network nowadays? The 40-mile-an-hour club. So we're going to do 40 mile an hour in a national speed limit, and then when we get into a 30, what we'll do is we'll just carry on doing 40 mile an hour. I just love it. I love these people. These are the problem with the roads, and I can't overtake them because I'm in a truck and I don't have the power. Look at that, 2 magpies, guys. 2 magpies. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. Morning, boys. Morning, magpies. But yeah, otherwise, I'm just going to sit behind this shitting Peugeot whilst we trundle down the A17 at 40 mile an hour when the speed limit is 20 mile an hour higher. Anyway, that's today's rant for you. It's done now. We've got it out. Got it out of our system. Getting on the A1 now, A road fans. Does any of you watch Chucker Tim, like Chucker Nice Bit Dim? I'll tell you what, but I know there's a lot of people on my channel that don't like Chucker Tim, because you told me. And but fair, I mean, you gotta say, fair play to the guy. He's just bought himself a Nissan GTR from his YouTube channel. Like, fair play. He might be dim, but he's doing a good job. Right, we have got 51 miles to go till we get to Barnsley. So we'll have a nice little run up the A1, doing what we do best. The weather's nice, it's not raining, we're not dead, and we're happy doing what we love. Let's see if this guy thanks us. Yeah, we got a thank you. You're welcome. Now I'm going to use him for free fuel, you see. I'm going to tuck in behind him.
Come on, little girl, put your hand in my hand. Come on, little honey, let me tell you what I'm feeling. I was on the floor at the bottom when I thought of you. Now we can't forget it, cause I'm starting to believe it.
I think I've learned the email address, website and phone number of JMS of Doncaster like off by heart. I think it's ingrained in my brain now. Been following him for about 15 minutes. So big shout out to JMS of Doncaster. Your driver's sound, by the way, gave me a good thank you. Might just give him a call. We'll have a chat. Should have a chat about what we can see. Oh, there's a rainbow there. I bet JMS of Doncaster's like, he'd be like, oh mate, have you seen the rainbow? We could have like a romantic drive down the A1 together. Look at that rainbow.
Yeah, I could be a soldier when you're telling me to soldier on. I could be a fighter when you're telling me to fight it. I could be a hero when you're here with me. I could be forgotten if you tell me to forget it. Yeah, I could be forgotten if you tell me to forget it. I could be forgotten if you tell me to forget it. Now we can forget it cause I'm starting to believe it.
Right guys, we're off the A1 now, thankfully. So we're on a road, heading into Barnsley. So we've got about 30 minutes to go. I thought I'd talk to you about sex shops. Why not? You know those like you know those sex shops that are on the A1, the A1 sex shop. I've never understood why they are they popular? I know no one's gonna put it in the comments like, oh yeah, I go there all the time. But like, why are they there? Like, why do they put them on the A1? Like, who's ever been driving up the A1 and thought, oh, I know, I really need some whips. Like, you pull into the services and it's like, Sharon, do you want a coffee or a ball gag? Can of Coke or a butt plug? Well, I don't have a can of Coke, so, and it's really uncomfortable in here. I don't know. I've never really understood why they felt the need to put sex shops all the way up the A1. Sorry, kids. I'm trying to take my health a bit more seriously recently, right? And one of the things that includes is sleeping. I never really sleep very well or for very long, so I'm one of those people that can get by on like 4.5, 5 hours sleep, and I'm usually okay. But as I'm getting older, I was like, maybe I should start actually prioritizing getting some good sleep. So I started wearing my, I've got like a Galaxy smartwatch. I don't wear it when I'm doing recovery, I wear this one. And for those of you who know, do you know where that came from? If you know, you know. That was like given to me because of my job. If you know, you know. I'm not saying anymore. Yeah, I've been wearing this watch and I've been going through the settings. It's got like loads of sleep tracking, and it can tell what your blood oxygen is while you're asleep, and you can check loads of your health stats. And I've been really taking it seriously and like looking it up every morning. How did I do last night? How did I sleep? And it's been really good, and I think I'm feeling really good for it, for like tracking my sleep. One of the settings on this watch is it's got a snore tracker. Like, so I was like, oh god, I don't snore. I know I don't snore. I stayed awake all night one night to see if I snored, and I didn't snore once. So I know I don't snore. I set this snore tracker and I set my phone up, and it's all set up, ready to go, and I go to bed. I get up in the morning, I'm having my coffee, and I decide to go through it on my phone. And I get to the snore bit, and it's like, you snored for 3 hours and 28 minutes last night. I was like, oh my God. I didn't realise this. It records you. So you can listen back to your snoring. How bad is that? Like, who wants to hear themselves snore? I like G'd myself up ready to listen to me snoring. I was like, this is going to be awful. Found one of the files, clicked on it, and it starts playing me snoring, right? Except it wasn't me snoring, it was Malcolm. It picked up Malcolm snoring for 3 hours and 28 minutes. No, honestly, the dog was snoring. Jesus Christ. Malcolm's my dog, if you didn't know. It's not like my husband or anything. Malcolm is my dog. And it picked Malcolm snoring out. Not me. So I still don't snore, which is the nice thing. So Malcolm was supposed to come with me today, and I did put a post out saying Malcolm and me, Malcolm and the cameras are going up to Barnsley tomorrow. Put a comment in if you want a shout out. So I'm going to do those shout outs on the way back. Unfortunately, I couldn't find Malcolm's bed that goes here with his seatbelt in. And I don't really like him just sitting on the seat strapped to the headrest. So I couldn't find his seat, so I didn't bring him. But I will get him on the channel more very soon, trust me, I promise you. We are now, I think we're in Barnsley. I've just got to find, I'm 8 miles away from the garage where this is going. And then I'll do your shout outs for all of you that wanted them. Okay, there's going to be quite a lot, but we've got a long journey back. Yeah, welcome to Barnsley. Woohoo! Well, this is the garage. This is where they wanted it bringing. We've achieved. Right, I'm going to stretch my legs. I'm going to go and have a chat with these people, these lovely people in the Ford garage. You can wait there for a minute. I'll be back in a minute, okay? Don't go anywhere.
Yeah, we know it's knocking. We were told it's not got any warning lights on.
Right, found the guy. He said to drop it here, and they're gonna try and move it so they can do that. It's got, I think it's got a bit of a knock. So he was like, "Oh, can you just drive it around there?" And I was like, "No, I'm not gonna start it. I don't want to get the blame if it goes bang. You see? So I will drop it off here. He can drive it. Don't be bullied into driving or starting a car that has got a potential like catastrophic failure." Because you will get the blame, I promise. Right, I'm gonna get this unstrapped and then we'll get it unloaded and then we'll get on our way. They're nice people up north, aren't they? It's not true what they say about you all. Sorry. Right, where am I gonna put you? Where shall I put you? Can't put you on someone's car, can I? Right, let's put you on the roof of Ronnie. Oh, you like it out there, don't you? Right, enjoy the view. I wanted to turn Ronnie off because I wanted you to hear the engine. It broke down because it was absolutely making a horrific noise. Like, that's why they stopped driving. That's why they stopped driving, because the bottom end is gone. Bottom end bearings, I think. We've now got to go back to Sleaford. I'm gonna mount you on the windscreen and try and avoid the sex shops on the way home. Right, I'll tell you what we'll do. We should do some shout outs. Right, so yesterday I put a post out on my YouTube channel saying, oh, we're going to be doing this, we're going to be doing that. And I said, if anybody wants to shout out, put it in the comments. Big shout out for Big Norman and Gillian from Northern Ireland. They love watching my channel. Big shout out to Sarah Frith. She said that she didn't get to see Malcolm. Sorry about that, you will. Cider Ant, yeah, he's always getting shout outs. He's class, good lad. Russell Statham says, give us a beat when you pass the tower cranes after junction 34. I didn't see any tower cranes, but I'll keep an eye out on the way back. It'll be nice to see Malcolm again from Steve Barley. Stephen Young, safe travels, Ben. Thanks, Steve. You have a safe day too. Mr. Lakenheath. Can I get a shout out to Pete, the chauffeur from Suffolk? Yep. You sure can, Pete. Another one for Tazzy, who says, yay, we're all going to Barnsley, in my deepest Barnsley accent. Crinkly, give Malcolm a pet from me. Of course, well, that's Crinkly's sticker there. Midlife crisis. Invisible Man, you're getting a shout out. You're one of the originals. Emma Lane, big shout out to you. Comments on all my videos, thank you, I really appreciate it. William Mitchell, why are you driving to Barnsley? Well, you've got to watch this video, William. Big shout out to you for commenting. And a big shout out as well, final one, to DDR Recovery in Hull. Hull, it's never dull in Hull, is it? So big shout out to you, pal. Stay safe, won't you? That's all the shout outs. That's everybody who commented. Thank you very much. Let's get on road. I love accents, mate. Right, PTO is off. Winch is off. Let's set some sat navings. Back to unit. I've got a BMW X3 waiting for me, so I've got to go and collect that. Apparently it is very broken, very broke. So we're going to go and pick that up. I'm going to go and look for these tower cranes now at junction 34. Don't know where they are, but we'll see if we can find them. But you know what, guys, we're just going to have a fun day. We're going to have a nice day. We're not dead. What a gift it is to be alive today. So, and we get to go all the way back empty. However, the traffic is already bad, terribly bad, very bad. See, I'm going to get us back to Sleaford. I'm going to try and avoid the sex shops and just buy a can of Coke, not the other stuff. Oof. Yeah, don't buy those things. They're bad for your health. Buy Coke. Don't buy a butt plug, buy Coke. Crikey, I'm going to get my channel banned. Guys, it's been amazing having you in the truck with me. I'm really enjoying filming them. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and give us a subscribe, it would be much appreciated. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. That's the beauty of life, remember? Whatever you do this week, guys, be happy, be safe, and just remember what a gift it is to be alive. You could be dead, and you're not. So, make the most of it. Much love, guys. See you on the next one, whatever the adventure's going to be. Wonder where we'll be going next, but you're coming with me. See you on the next one, guys. Much love. Take care.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you